Welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn the rules of plurals. Are you ready? Let's begin. A snail. Snails. 1 snail, 2 snails, 3 snails. An ant. Ants. 1 ant, 2 ants. A bird. Birds. 1 bird, 2 birds. A peach. Peaches. 1 peach, 2 peaches, 3 peaches. A watch. Watches. 1 watch, 2 watches, 3 watches. A dish. Dishes. 1 dish, 2 dishes, 3 dishes. A fox. Foxes. 1 fox, 2 foxes. A kiss. Kisses. 1 kiss, 2 kisses, 3 kisses. Now stop the video and take the quiz. Check your answers: classes, boxes, matches, glasses, foxes, churches, patches, mixes, dresses. A potato. Potatoes. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes. A tomato. Tomatoes. 1 tomatoes, 5 tomatoes, 6 tomatoes. A photo. Photos. 1 photos, 2 photos, 3 photos. A piano. Pianos. 1 piano, 2 pianos. Stop the video now and take the quiz. Heroes, echoes, mangoes, radios, kilos, zoos, pianos. A baby. Babies. 1 baby, 2 babies. A lady. Ladies. 1 lady, 4 ladies, 5 ladies. A toy. Toys. 1 toy, 8 toys, too many toys. A boy. Boys. 1 boy, 3 boys, 4 boys. Stop the video now and take the quiz. Cities, stories, parties, days, keys, plays, toys. Boys. A knife. Knives. 1 knife, 2 knives. A wife. Wives. 1 wife, 2 wives. A leaf. Leaves. 1 leaf, too many leaves. A wolf. 2 wolves. 1 wolf, 2 wolves. Stop the video and take the quiz now. Shelves, loaves, scarves, calves, halves, thieves. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video and you have learned the rules of plurals. See you next time with another educational video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.